Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zishan and this is my YouTube channel. आज की वीडियो में हम 11th क्लास या फर्स्ट ईयर की केमिस्ट्री के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs करेंगे। बोर्ड के केमिस्ट्री के पेपर में ये MCQs आने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि आने वाले नए वीडियोस आपको फौरी मिल सकें। बहुत शुक्रिया। For a given process, the heat changes at constant pressure Qp and at constant volume Qv are related to each other as constant pressure is equal to constant volume, constant pressure is smaller than constant volume, constant pressure is greater than constant volume, constant pressure is equal to constant volume over 2. Correct option is C. Constant pressure is greater than constant volume. The rate of reaction increases as the reaction proceeds, decreases as the reaction proceeds, remains the same as the reaction proceeds, may decrease or increase as the reaction proceeds. Correct option is B. The rate of reaction decreases as the reaction proceeds. With increase of 10 degrees Celsius temperature, the rate of reaction doubles. This increase in rate of reaction is due to decrease in activation energy of reaction, decrease in the number of collisions between reactant molecules, increase in activation energy of reactants, increase in number of effective collisions. Correct option is D. Increase in number of effective collisions. For the reaction, sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid changes into sodium chloride and water. The change in enthalpy is called heat of reaction, heat of formation, heat of neutralization, heat of combustion. Correct option is C. Heat of neutralization. The net heat change in a chemical reaction is same whether it is brought about in two or more different ways in one or several steps. It is known as Henry's law, Joule's principle, Hess's law, law of conservation of energy. Correct option is C. Hess's law. Enthalpy of neutralization of all the strong acids and strong bases has the same value because neutralization leads to the formation of salt and water. Strong acids and bases are ionic substances. Acids always give rise to hydrogen ions and bases always furnish hydroxide ions. The net chemical change involves the combination of hydrogen and hydroxide ions to form water. Correct option is D. The net chemical change involves the combination of hydrogen and hydroxide ions to form water. An ionic compound of A cation, B anion is most likely to be formed when the ionization energy of A is high and electron affinity of B is low. The ionization energy of A is low and electron affinity of B is high. Both the ionization energy of A and electron affinity of B are high. Both the ionization energy of A and electron affinity of B are low. Correct option is B. An ionic compound of A cation, B anion is most likely to be formed when the ionization energy of A is low and electron affinity of B is high. The number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 1 pi. This symbol is for sigma and this symbol is for pi. 1 sigma and 2 pi. 3 sigmas only. 2 sigma and 1 pi. Correct option is the number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding bonding molecular orbitals? Bonding molecular orbitals possess less energy than atomic orbitals from which they are formed. Bonding molecular orbitals have low electron density between the two nuclei. Every electron in bonding molecular orbitals contributes to the attraction between atoms. Bonding molecular orbitals are formed when the electron waves undergo constructive interference. Correct option is B. Bonding molecular orbitals have low electron density between the two nuclei. For which system does the equilibrium constant Kc has units of concentration power minus 1? N2 plus 3H2, 2NH3, H2 plus I2, 2HI, 2NO2, N2O4, 2HF, H2 plus F2. Correct option C. 2NO2, N2O4. Which statement about the following equilibrium is correct? 2SO2 plus O2, 2SO3. Whereas delta H is equal to minus 188.3 kilojoules per mole. The value of Kp falls with a rise in temperature. Dear students, please keep in mind that Kp is equal to the equilibrium constant calculated from the partial pressures of a reaction equation. The value of Kp falls with increasing pressure. Adding V2O5. V2O5 is vanadium pentoxide, an inorganic compound. Adding V2O5 catalyst increases the equilibrium yield of sulfur trioxide. The value of Kp is equal to Kc. Correct option is A. The value of Kp or equilibrium constant falls with the rise in temperature. The pH of 10-3 mole per cubic decimeter of an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid is 3, 2.7, 2.0, 1.5. Correct option is 2.7. An excess of aqueous silver nitrate is added to aqueous barium chloride and precipitate is removed by filtration. What are the main ions in the filtrate? Silver and nitrate ions only. Silver and barium and nitrate ions. Barium and nitrate ions only. Barium and nitrate and chloride ions. Correct option is B. Silver and barium and nitrate ions. Which of the hydrogen halides has the highest percentage of ionic character? HCl, HCl, hydrogen chloride, HBr, hydrogen bromide, HF, hydrogen fluoride, HI, hydrogen iodide. Correct option is C. HF, hydrogen fluoride, has the highest percentage of ionic character. If the rate equation of a reaction 2A plus B turns into products is rate is equal to K into A square into B and A is present in large excess, then order of reaction is 1, 2, 3, none of these. Correct option is I. Then order of reaction is 1. Which of the following species has unpaired electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals? Oxygen, nitrogen, riboflavin, fluorine. Correct option is B. Nitrogen.